All right, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Damn. My worst fear has been realized. My worst fear. Everybody who's been following me for quite some time now knows that my number one female athlete is Elaine Thompson Herah. Elaine Thompson Herah made news this morning, breaking news. When you see BBC and all the sports channels and all the major news channels carry this, that she will not be at the Olympics this year. Five-time champion, 5 times Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson Herah, out of the Olympics. Damn it, man. But you know, it was quite telling. Elaine Thompson Herah, the 2-time Olympic champion, 5-time champion, 2 times Olympic champion in the 100 and 200 meters, will miss the Paris Olympics with an Achilles injury. I'm starting to feel like that Achilles injury could possibly be a career-ending injury. Why? Because Elaine's been battling that Achilles injury for quite some time, and it doesn't seem to be getting better. I don't know if it's because she hasn't taken enough time away from track and field to heal herself. She hasn't taken enough time away from training to get some proper treatment. I don't know, but it looks like, because when an injury hangs around for that long, it simply says you're going to be out for a while. And if you're out for a while, it simply means you're going to be missing a lot. And if you're missing a lot, it's going to be a lot for you to get back to where you were before. You see how that works? So, Elaine is 31 years old. And at 31 years old, that's still pretty young. She is fresh out of her 20s. She probably got another Olympics left in her. Definitely, if she is able to heal. I don't know if this Achilles injury is going to take surgery and rehabilitation, physical therapy, and all that other stuff, but I just hope she just gets to it right now. This is who I was looking forward to. We need Elaine Thompson Herah. If we're going to do a sweep, if Jamaica is going to do a sweep and get gold, silver, bronze in the 100 meters, it would have to be Elaine Thompson Herah. Hell, throw Shelley and Fraser Price in the 200 and have Elaine run the 200 with Sharka Jackson, and we'll do 1, 2, 3 gold, silver, bronze in the 200. Imagine if Jamaica was to go to the Olympics and sweep for the women, 100 meters, 200 meters, gold, silver, bronze, gold, silver, bronze. You couldn't tell me anything, nothing. And I wouldn't want to hear anything else, and I wouldn't care about any other race or anything else. That would be it for me. But it seems I've been denied even that simple fantasy. The 31-year-old Jamaican, a 5-time Olympic gold medalist, so I was right. I don't know why it started out by saying the 2-time Olympic champion in the 100 and 200 meters. That's where she unified the 100 and 200 meters, but she is a 5-time Olympic gold medalist. That cannot be taken away from her. That is history. That's been done. It's in the books. She sustained the injury at the New York Grand Prix at 9th of June and had to be carried off the track. I don't believe that. I think Elaine was already hurting with that Achilles. And I think what happened at the New York City Grand Prix just made it worse. She went out there, she tried. Come on, it's telling. She had a late start for her season. Everybody said, why did she start so late? Sha'Carri Richardson been out the gate running early for the season. Sha'Carri Richardson came out so early for the season. I was like, damn, track and field season started already? I guess because it's an Olympic year. But I was wondering, how come I don't see Elaine Thompson Herah anywhere? You know? And then she comes out way late. And then she comes out at I believe it was a Prefontaine Classics or whatever. She comes out at a huge race. When she could have came out at a much smaller race and worked her way up and had time to deal with her stops and starts and her injury, if there's an injury behind the scenes or anything like that. She just jumped into a big race and came in last. Look at it. Elaine's first race for the track season of 2024, she came in dead last. That tells me she was injured before and she was being cautious, nursing that injury. Her second race was the New York City Grand Prix on June 9th, and she had to be carried off the track. So no, I don't think she got injured there at that race. Maybe that's something they have to say for insurance purposes or to appease the fans or something. I don't know. But I think this is a old Achilles injury that's been plaguing her for quite some time. How do I know? I was watching an interview with Elaine. And on the interview, I believe it was Yendi that was interviewing her. And on that interview is when Elaine said something about her Achilles. And I said, okay, her Achilles is a major issue. She has problems with it. And look, it's still the same thing. It's her Achilles. So Thompson Herah, the only sprinter other than Usain Bolt to win multiple titles in both the 100 and the 200 meters. Let me say that again. Elaine Thompson Herah, because a lot of people downplays her greatness, right? And try to go around her and try to act like, it's everybody else is great but Elaine. That's why I started liking her, because she was an underdog, right? So Elaine Thompson Herah, the only other sprinter other than Usain Bolt to win multiple Olympic titles in both the 100 and 200 meters. She was aiming to defend her 100-meter crown after choosing not to race in the Jamaica 200-meter trials. She said that a small tear on my Achilles tendon ended my chances of competing at a third Olympics. It's a long road, but I'm willing to start over and keep working and to make a full recovery and resume my track career. Elaine Thompson Herah wrote this on Instagram. I am hurt and I'm devastated to be missing the Olympics this year. But at the end of the day, it's sports and my health comes first. Naturally, because if you're not healthy, you can't compete at the top level of sports. And it is sports. Jamaicans have won the past 4 Olympic gold medals in the women's 100 meters. Damn it, man. We need Shelly and Fraser-Price now. Because if Shelly don't step up and Sha'Carri Richardson, and we need, listen, if Sha'Carri Richardson is firing on all pistons at this Olympics, then that means that gold medal that Jamaica has won for the past 4 Olympics will be going to the United States of America. Elaine Thompson Herah won gold in the 100 and 200 meters in Rio in 2016, and she defended her titles in Tokyo 5 years later. Remember, the Olympics is 4 years apart, every 4 years. But because of the pandemic and Corona and all that stuff, they pushed the Olympics to a different time, and they had it in Tokyo, right? Which we saw, and that was that. When the stands were empty and there weren't too many people in them and all that, which must have been hard for the athletes, because then there were no noise, no cheering, no motivation, just you running in silence, competing hard as hell in silence. However, end of the day, the Jamaicans have won the past 4 Olympic gold medals. I want y'all to think about this. The Olympic comes around every 4 years. So in order for Jamaica to have won the past 4 Olympic gold medals in the women's 100 meters, that means 4 times 4. That's 16 years of legacy. It's 16 years of legacy is threatened right now. If Sharka Jackson And if Mommy Rocket, Shelly and Fraser Price are not able to step to the forefront, Elaine Thompson Herah won't be there to back us up. And that, I'm predicting right now that gold will be going to the United States of America. Elaine Thompson Herah won a 5th Olympic gold in Japan as part of Jamaica's 4x100 meter relay team, which is another important angle to have her at the 4x100 meter relays. She isn't there. She won't be there for the 100. She won't be there for the 200. Ah, man. You know what? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. I don't know if I'm devastated. But you know, let's end the video like this. Elaine, you've done tremendous. We can't even find the words. Your greatness is realized and admired, recognized and appreciated. You fly our flag high. You compete hard. You're human though. Although above the rest, super normal, natural human, you're still human. So life comes first, sports after. Go get your healing and do like you said, start over from scratch, take it one day at a time, build and come back with a solid platform. I have no doubt she'll be back. She's 31 years old. By the time the next Olympic comes around, she'll be 34, 35 maybe, right? At 35 years old, I know it's teetering on retirement age, but I've seen people go to 37, 38, which means that's 2 Olympics left in her. Okay, let me stop talking. Maybe I'm just hoping, again, at least one more good Olympic run is left in Elaine Thompson Herah. Factor in the healing time as well, right? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. Tell me what you think about Jamaica have won the past 4 Olympic gold medals in the women's 100 meters. 4 Olympic gold medals in the women's 100 meters. 16 years of legacy. It's threatened right now. I'm out. Peace.